All right, this is assignment 19, the cell comparison assignment. As you see here, you're going to be comparing different types of cells. Sorry. So please use the following diagrams to answer all the questions. Let us know if you need any help. Question 1. According to the diagram to the right, are all cells the exact same size? So, diagram to the right, we have a prokaryotic cell, very small. We have a small eukaryotic cell, the average animal cell, and then we have a large plant cell. These are not the actual sizes, but this is kind of to show you what the different sizes are. So question 1, are all cells the exact same size? Yes or no? Question 2, explain why using evidence from the picture to the right. Remember that prokaryotes means bacteria. So how do you know for sure they are all different? Give me one piece of evidence here. For example, according to the diagram on the right, there's some small cells, average cells, and large cells. So question 1 and 1A, use this picture right here. Let's go to question 2. According to the diagram above, which type of cell is the biggest? Highlight your answer below. So if I look at this diagram above right here, this side right here is the smallest, and this side right here is the biggest. So which type of cell is the biggest? Is it a plant cell, animal cell, or bacteria? Now here the word bacteria is, but here it's actually called bacterium, so it's a little bit different. So which one's the biggest of those three? If you don't remember how to highlight your answer, all you do is pick what you want, and then click here, and then pick a color to highlight it. Question number 2. According to the diagram above, which type of cell is the smallest? Highlight your answer below. So once again, plant cell, animal, bacteria. Which one of these is the smallest? This side's the biggest, this side's the smallest. Question 4. Do you think COVID-19, which is the coronavirus, is big or small? Highlight your answer below. So if you look at the diagram up here again, we have plant cells, animal cells, bacteria, and we have viruses right here. So is a coronavirus small or large? And explain your answer using information from this chart above. The next page. Use this diagram to the right to complete the following diagram. Put an X in each box that contains that part of the cell. All right, so let's do the bacteria cell first. This column first, and then we'll do this bacteria cell right here. Okay. So question 1: does bacteria cell? Excuse me. Sorry about that. So does a bacteria cell have a DNA? Bacteria cell, does it have a DNA? Yes, it does. Let's put an X in this box right here. Does it have what's called a cell membrane? It does. Put an X in that box right there. Does it have ribosomes? It's kind of hard to see. Let me erase this right here. Does it have ribosomes? Yes, it does. Put an X in this box right here. Does it have a cell wall? Kind of hard to see, but cell wall, yes. Put an X in this box right here. Does it have a nucleus? Do you see nucleus anywhere? Nope, no nucleus. Now I'll give you a hint here. This is it for the bacteria cell. It's very simple, it's very basic, does not have a lot of cell parts to it. This column is done. Let's go to the plant cell next. Go to the plant cell. Let me erase this. So next we're going to do the plant cell, which is right here. All right. Notice there's a different kind of shape to it than the animal cell. This one actually has a lot of parts to it, so you got to be very, very careful as you read the chart below. All right. This makes sense though, right? So, question 1, does it have DNA? DNA, is the arrow pointing to it? Yes. Put an X. Does the animal cell have DNA? So animal cell have DNA? Yes. Does it have a cell membrane? So cell membrane is here on the plant cell. Yep, sure does. And animal cell, which is us, does the animal cell have a cell membrane? Yep, sure does, right there. Does it have what's called ribosomes, which makes proteins? So plant cell, yep, ribosomes. It has ribosomes in the plant cell. Does the animal cell have ribosomes? Yep, sure does right there. I'm going to do 2 more or 3 more before you're on your own. Actually, no, 2 more before you're on your own. Plant cell, does it have a cell wall? So plant cell, does it have a cell wall? Yep, right there. There's a cell wall. The animal cell, does the animal cell have a cell wall? Nope, does not. Leave that one blank. Okay, so you're going to go through the rest of these, filling out your chart over here. I'll give you a hint for plant cell. Almost all these will be filled in. For animal cell, almost all will be filled in, but there's a couple that they don't have in each of them. Okay. Question 5. What are some special characteristics or traits of a bacteria cell? Look at the chart above. So using this chart here, what is special about a bacteria cell? Is it simple? Is it big? Is it small? Is it complex? A lot of parts, little parts, something like that. Question 6. What are some special characteristics or traits of a plant cell? So what is special to a plant cell? What is only in this column that is not in any other column? Question 7. What are some special characteristics or traits of an animal cell? So once again, you have this column to look at. What's only in this column that's not in these 2 columns for those questions. See you at the video chat at 1 o'clock.